A fictional town of Malgudi, created by Indian author R.K. Narayan, holds a lot of stories that showcase the ordinary life in a humorous way. All of us have read or watched these stories sometime or the other. Here is a Kushala curation of 3 stories you must read from R.K. Narayan's Malgudi. Postman Tanappa did not just deliver letters to the houses on Vinayak Mudali Street. He was a part and parcel of the lives of all the families. He encouraged the youngster who had applied for a job in Madras, shared pleasantries with a woman whose son was in Hyderabad, who wrote letters regularly and even drank buttermilk offered by anyone on hot summer afternoons. One house in particular that he was connected to was young Kamakshi's house. He had even delivered the letter that announced baby Kamakshi's birth. After many months of searching and going through rejections, Kamakshi's marriage gets fixed to a boy from Delhi. The families decide that the wedding must happen on May 20th or it cannot happen at all. Bad news about a death in Kamakshi's relative's house comes in as a letter which can stop the wedding. It is now Tanappa who has to decide if he would do his job by delivering the post or risk his daily bread to save the marriage. The Missing Mail is a heartwarming story speaking about human relationships in unlikely places. The talkative man once went to a fair. He was awestruck by the games, food and the prizes that were there. Sewing machines, pin cushions and even a road engine were the prizes. In one of the games, the talkative man won the massive road engine. On approaching the fair organizers, they tell the man that all prizes have to be moved from the Gymkhana grounds where the fair was happening immediately. Talkative man was concerned as he did not know how to drive and what to do with the engine. After a lot of convincing and a negotiation, the municipality agreed to let the engine be in the grounds if the man pays a nominal fee until he figures out a way to take the engine. The man kept paying the fee as his efforts like seeking help from the temple elephant or even the bus driver did not lead to anything. Engine trouble is a troubling for the talkative man but hilarious for the readers as a tale that speaks about a series of unexpected events. Swami and Friends is one of the most famous works of R.K. Narayan that revolves around a young boy Swaminathan in Malgudi. Here's one part from Swami and Friends for you to definitely read. Swami, who would be studying in mission school, is put in another school named board school. He misses his friends Mani, Shankar and Somu who are still in mission school. Swami's friend Rajam sets up a cricket team, MCC, Malgudi Cricket Team, and they challenge the other team, Young Men's Union, for a match. Swami is a celebrated bowler in the team and is given a nickname Tate for his skills to bowl like English fast bowler Morris Tate. Swami's new school's drill period delayed Swami every day for his practice. He tries to request the headmaster to take leave from drill through various means. But alas, nothing comes through. Swami then learns that the headmaster is furious about Swami and would beat him. Scared, Swami decides to run away from home. What will happen to Swami? What will happen to the MCC versus YMU match? This story beautifully brings out innocence of a young boy and will definitely connect with people of all ages. Swami and Friends and Other Stories of R.K. Narayan was adapted into a television series named Malgudi Days by famed director Shankar Nag. Young Swami, who became a household name, was played by Mr. Manjunath. On 19th December, Mr. Manjunath is coming to Kushala Family Quiz to tell us more stories about Swami and Malgudi. Don't miss the chance to dive into the world of Malgudi's stories, questions, and family bonding time. You can register for the event using the link in the description. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Qshala for more such content.